Hi, in this tutorial, I'm going to give a summary of the difference between agglomerative versus divisive clustering. So basically, we have studied hierarchical clustering and partitional clustering. Hierarchical clustering is further divided into two different types of clustering. One is the agglomerative and the second one is the divisive algorithm, right? So in agglomerative clustering, so let's suppose we have a data points, something like this, right? So let's suppose we have these data and they are initially some individual data points like this. Now, agglomerative and divisive, they both are hierarchical clustering. So basically what we will obtain is a dendrogram. We can actually obtain a dendrogram, and in dendrogram we have some tree-like structure, right? We have a tree like structure. So basically we have nested clusters. Now in agglomerative, what the idea is to uh, take all the points, all the data points initially individually, and then start combining them into smaller clusters. For example, let's combine B and C in a single cluster, which is something like this. Then we will combine D and E in a single cluster. Then in the next iteration, I will combine D, E and F in a single cluster. And then I will combine, let's say, A, B and C in a single cluster. And finally, I will combine these two clusters in a single cluster, something like this, right? So from this diagram, we can actually conclude that A, B, C, D, E, F is a cluster, and inside it we have two clusters A, B, C and D, E, F. So let's suppose we have a big cluster here with points A, B, C, D, E and F. So inside this A, B, C and D, E, F is a cluster like this, and D, E, F is also a cluster. And inside A, B, C, B, C is a single cluster, and A is a separate cluster, and similarly E and F is a different cluster and D is a different cluster. So indeed this is a hierarchical clustering, but the idea is that we take the points individually and then we agglomerate them into clusters. Basically agglomerative means we are combining them into clusters. So finally we will get the whole cluster like this. In divisive algorithm, in divisive clustering, we do the opposite of agglomerative. What we do is we combine all the data points in a single cluster. Initially we say that this is my single cluster, and then I start dividing this whole cluster into different clusters, and we basically call this as splitting of a cluster. So initially I have this whole cluster, and then let's say I divide it into two clusters, which is B, C, and let's say A, D, E and F, right? And then again I will split them into different clusters, something like this. And then here also I will do the same. I will split this cluster into two, right? So divisive means dividing the cluster, right? So in hierarchical clustering, you can see in both of these clustering, agglomerative and divisive, we do obtain a hierarchy. You can see this is the hierarchy, and basically dendrograms are used to represent the hierarchy. So agglomerative, in agglomerative what we do is we are, you can see I'm going down here. So this is basically known as top down approach, right? And here, sorry, it is known as divisive is known as top down, because what we are doing is we are actually dividing this whole into sub clusters, and here also it will be divided into A and D, and then this will be divided into E and F. Here it is going something like this, so I call it as a bottom up approach, right? So basically these are the two types of agglomerative and divisive. We will discuss the agglomerative hierarchical clustering algorithm in detail in the coming tutorials. So that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.